How to find drafts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to find drafts on Instagram. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have updated your Instagram app, you may now open it and then you may swipe right like this one, or you may click on the plus button right here found on the upper right of the screen. So if you may swipe right, you may go to post right here, and then you may be able to see drafts on the right side of the recent button right here. So if you cannot see this option, that means that you don't have any drafts. So I think you may be able to see your draft post as well as your draft reel right here. So let's say, for example, that you want to add a draft. You may choose a photo first and then click on Next found on the upper right corner and make sure to edit it with a filter, for example, or you may adjust the brightness, the contrast, the angle, and many more. So you may choose and then adjust it, click on Done, and then press back right here and make sure to click on Save Draft. So that's it. That's how you can find drafts on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.